Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Richard in Hawaii on this Galaxy DX98 VHP. Richard, I got it ready to go for you here, bud. Our tune in alignment, as you requested. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Around 5 watts. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. 40 watts all the way up. Let's look at average power swing. Hello in the corner. Okay, we're gonna have to put this 250 watt slug in average. Hello, about 120 bird average. Peak power. Hello, 250 in the corner. Now we are running this on our 200 amp supply, 14.2 volts at the moment. Alright, Richard, I hope you enjoy from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.